4 chefs are determined to beat the clock and each other. Let's meet them. First up, Keith Lauren is the owner of a spice company from Miami, Florida. Next up, Elizabeth Rostowski, an executive chef and mother of 2 from Dearborn Heights, Michigan. Then there's Holly Gray, a caterer and wedding planner from Los Angeles, California. And finally, to wrap things up, Miles McMath is the executive chef of a children's hospital in Memphis, Tennessee. To your carts. No. Wait. Chef, put your carts back and just grab the basket in the front. I want you to use baskets. It's a more intimate experience of shopping. You get to shop throughout Flavortown Market for 4 pounds of food.
Are you kidding me?
4 pounds of food to make 4 outrageous burgers and any sides you might want to go with that. That's why we like to call this game, Watch Your Weight. In 3, 2, 1, go! A helpful reminder for all of our weight-conscious customers, 4 pounds is equal to 64 ounces, or more commonly known as 2 1,000ths of a ton. Just thought I'd try to help.
Everything has to be 4 pounds or less. So I grabbed the smallest package of beef I could find. Bacon will save any dish. I grabbed Gruyere and I grabbed mozzarella, and I have to watch every ounce of what I'm putting in.
I'm gonna do the 4 Bs. I'm gonna do blue cheese, bacon, butter, bread.
What am I gonna use?
I have a phenomenal lamb burger, which I like to serve with a little warm salad.
I like Keith spice. I grab some spices. I also grab beef bouillon powder. I don't do sodium free. I grabbed mayo, tomatoes. Maybe I can make a scallion slaw.
This burger is all about my husband. I'm thinking of all of his favorite things. I buttered each one of those buns. Woo. You just can't go wrong with bacon, blue cheese, and butter. That was good. Really good.
10, 9,
get it
8,
on the plate.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. What do you have for us, Chef?
All right. So we have an open-faced lamb burger and toasted kale mint salad.
Here she is.
Holly.
Holly. Chef Holla. What do you have for the judges?
I have Baby's Bee Burger. So this is a burger that I make for my husband when he's having a bad day or just wants a little pick-me-up because it has the 4 Bs.
Chef Elizabeth, what do you have for the judges?
A Euro burger that's usually served all over the Balkans. It's stuffed with bacon, cremini mushrooms, Gruyere cheese with tomato, and melted mozzarella cheese on top.
Last but not least, Spaceman.
I wanted to prepare something special for you. I know y'all are tired of eating these dry, crumbly hamburgers from all over the place. So I decided to make, not that they made dry, crumbly hamburgers. Don't look at me like that. But I wanted to make something juicy for you, so I created a spiced, juicy scallion burger for you.
The chef that has to leave us will be Chef Miles. This is the frozen food feud. Then let's go in 1, 2, 3. I didn't say go. Go.
Holly Jolly Christmas, get out of my way.
Woo! Cutting those corners!
What am I gonna make today? I'm making fricassee of soy.
So I'm looking at this meatloaf and Salisbury steak, and I'm thinking, okay, I can get a couple of these and take a bunch of the components apart and elevate it from what it already is.
I'm thinking chicken thaws pretty quick, so I grabbed the frozen chicken thighs, which have a little more fat, and it's a dark meat. I don't see my onions.
Oh, I can't wait till I win this competition.
Okay, let's see what I got here. So I see all of these components in front of me, and I think, okay, I have to use a little bit of each one of these.
It's hammer time now. First, making the hot sauce was red wine vinegar, cayenne pepper, paprika, chili flakes, and that was my hot sauce.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Seconds left, and I realize there's no sauce on the plate.
Come on, Keith, you can do it, buddy.
3, 2, 1. Stop working. First up, the Spice Man, Chef Keith.
I created for you what I call a fricassee of soy. Being from Miami, I wanted to bring you into my neighborhood, so I cooked it in a Latin mirepoix, if you will, a sofrito, with the red, green, yellow bell peppers, garlic, and cilantro.
Chef Elizabeth.
I've made chicken thighs. On top of the chicken, I put spicy hot sauce and a medley of vegetables and pierogies.
All right, last but definitely not least will be Chef Holly.
Growing up, there was a lot of doctoring foods up, frozen foods or boxed foods. This is kind of an homage to my mom. So I have meatloaf here, which I just grilled. I made a gravy, all organic vegetables. And then of course, there's my sweet potato mash.
The chef that will be leaving us will be Chef Keith. For our final challenge, I want you to go full hog. I mean hog wild. I want you to make the judges a pork dinner. Close your eyes, just kind of take a moment, and I want you to think about it. Just get that list. When you open your eyes, I want you to take a look right here, because I have the list for you. See, I'm here to help. I know, don't even start thanking me now. We like to call this game Grocery List. In 3, 2, 1, go.
My son likes my pork schnitzel, and as I'm picking up the items on the list, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do with them. Cranberries.
Everything in this list of 6 items, any dried fruit, I'm thinking, okay, cranberries. And cranberries are great. It reminds people of holiday times. Fruits and apples go really well with pork. Something red. I'm gonna grab a Fresno chili. That adds that kind of spicy twist. I can make apple gravy reduction on top. So I have my stuffing in the bowl. I add my dry oats into it, my dried cranberries. I'm zesting my orange and my lemon in there to bring out some flavor. Top with the hot chicken stock and ranch dressing. I'm working it with my hands. It's hot. It's smelling good in here. I'm thinking I want to make a gravy that has an apple component to it. So I start out with dicing my Granny Smith apples and Fresno chili. Show me what you got.
Get that crispy coating. Then I start making white wine reduction sauce with mushrooms and cranberries. It pairs nicely with most meats and ladies' night.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop working.
Ladies' night.
First up will be Chef Elizabeth. Chef, what do you have for us?
Pork schnitzel, breaded in cornflakes and fried onions with mushroom and cranberry wine sauce.
Chef Holly.
That's a stuffed bone-out pork chop. I use quick-cook stuffing, quick-cook oats. I have dried cranberries in there. I did a apple cherry reduction sauce on top. I added a little bit of Fresno chilies to it, and that was my red, and it kind of, I thought, picked it up a little bit.
The chef that will be leaving us and checking out will be Chef Elizabeth. Now on this list that I have here, each item that you check off and put in your basket, you will win $2,000. You hit every item in the 2 minutes given to you, all 10 items, and you will win $20,000.
So I'm looking at these lists of items and I'm thinking, okay, Holly.
You have to get these 10 items.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
In 3, 2, 1, go. She's off.
So Guy says go, and I run to the frozen food section again.
Got my peas.
I'm grabbing my ingredient for shepherd's pie. Oh, frozen corn.
Ingredients for succotash.
I get my hot hands on that raspberry yogurt, 6,000.
Goji,
What's she after now?
goji. And I look and I look and I scan and I scan. Couldn't find it. Moving on.
Next, I see marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows. Teething crackers. See here?
Teething.
It's got to be somewhere around
Crunchy
here.
biscuits.
I would say one of these. Okay, teething crackers.
Paper towels are right across from the crackers. 12,000.
Tamari.
Tamari. Where is she?
I want to get as much money as possible.
I would give a huge chunk of that to an organization I really believe in, which is Boston Buddies. Liverwurst. Chorizo.
Right there, you got it, go!
I am running out of steam.
What do I need?
Goji berries, goji berries!
And then Guy reminds me about those darn goji berries.
20 seconds!
Goji.
Where are you?
Trying to find the gojis.
I can hear Guy throwing something, but I can't see it.
Time's up! Stop!
I just want to like scream and dance and run around.
That's too much senseless running for me.
I know. I just won $18,000, and I think of all the potential that means for my business, for animals that need it.